Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my everyday makeup routine. So if you want to see, just keep on watching. And yes, I have no makeup on, but we're gonna get cute. The only thing that I did do beforehand was my eyebrows, and I actually just got done doing another tutorial on how I maintain my blonde hair. As you guys can see, it's a little bit lighter, but yeah, I just posted that other video, so if you guys want to see that one, just go right ahead. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is actually put my hair to the back, just because I can't work with hair in my face, right? Obviously. So I'm just using this bandana that I actually got from Shein. So yeah. Now that my hair is all the way in the back, what I like to do is put some moisturizer all over my face, which is what I already did. And the one that I use is the Aveeno Moisturizer. I'm gonna put a picture just in case you guys don't know which one it is. And we are in a different setting today. This is basically my living room. It's just that this was like the quietest place in my house right now. But yeah, to get started for my face, I already moisturized, I already did all of that. I did my eyebrows, like I said. I have a whole video on that if you guys would like to see. But yeah, this is what my face looks like. It's a lot of redness, and that's usually the main reason why I ever started using makeup, just because my face was always like really red. So the first product that I absolutely love as of right now, and I don't even need concealer with this product, would be the X-Izamarie Illumination version of the, it's like a CC cream. Basically, this is what it is. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. It's literally all over YouTube. The color that I'm using is Fair Light. And what I like to do is just grab a little dot, just like that, and just focus on my under eyes and this area. So I kind of just like to go like that. And if you guys notice, I am using my fingers. I just feel like brushes and all of that get dirty. And yeah, I always feel like I break out when I use brushes. And don't get me wrong, I do clean them, but I just feel like there's nothing better. And here comes my dog, just like every other video. They're barking. Hopefully they don't start barking, but I feel like they will. Okay, you guys can already see a difference, but I absolutely love this thing. I'm not done with this side, but I just like to go on to my left side, just because there's already product there. So let's just put this all over. And I know you guys can tell my nose is so freaking red. I remember in high school, that was the main reason why like I wanted to wear makeup. Like I noticed I had redness because I'm so like light and pale. But yeah, so let's just put a little bit on my nose, continue on under my eyes. This is literally my everyday makeup routine. Like even if I'm going out to a party, if I'm going to work, depends. This is just a really easy routine. But yeah, please let me know how you guys are doing in the comment section. I know this whole year literally started off so crazy. So crazy. And it's not stopping, in my opinion. Like now with Naya Rivera and them possibly finding her body, I'm like hiding because I have my window open and there's people there. I'm gonna walk away. Alright guys, so this is typically what I like to do. And I walked away because it's embarrassing. I literally have my front window open and a car just parked there and the person just got out, so that's embarrassing. But yeah, and literally look how much I'm grabbing. Like the tiniest bit goes a long way. I like to focus on my cheeks. I have a couple breakout pimples that, you know, I like to cover, and this is just so smooth. And the reason, and there's like 3 versions, I believe. There's a matte version, there's the original version, which is the silver one, and then there's this one. But I chose the Illumination just because I really have dry skin and I really like it, and I would like to try the original one too. But all right, so now that my whole skin is kind of covered, As you guys can see, like, I'm not a makeup artist. This is just what I like to do. But yeah, I'm gonna focus a little bit more under my eyes because this is like literally my problem area. So yeah, we're going under my eye. It literally looks like I have eyeshadow on, but I don't. I literally haven't even been sleeping well, but yeah. Okay, can you guys literally see that shine? That's so pretty. Look at that. So the next thing that I like to do, just to kind of set my under eye, is, so we're done with this, is use this powder. And this powder is the Airspun Loose Face Powder. And this is literally, I've been using it. Like ever since I bought it, I love it. But I just like to take a little bit on the top, and I literally use the slightest bit, like anything that's left on the top. And I like to use this kind of brush. And again, I like to focus under my eye, and you guys will see the difference. Like, it gives me like extra coverage. Look at that, you can already tell. And I wear a lot of glasses. I wear glasses like all the time, that's what I mean to say. And you can tell that I have these ridges right here. Ridges? I don't know what they call it, but yeah. The under eye. And there goes the cell phone ringing. Just so annoying when you're filming a video. And why is there all these people in front of my window? This is so annoying. It's like people know I'm gonna film. People know it's film day. Because there's nothing but noise. Oh, all that powder. But yeah, this video is a little bit all over the place. I'm just showing you guys kind of like my everyday routine and the products that I use, and even a little vlog. But yeah, you guys can literally already tell a difference. I can. I know you guys can see. Like, look at this eye. I still look so tired, and this side just opened me up. So yeah, I like these kind of brushes. Again, go under my eye. I like to be very careful because I do have contacts on, so I'm gonna be quiet. If this goes in my eye, I'm done. This video is done. Because my eyes tend to get like super red. But yeah, guys, let me know if you watch any other of my videos, because as I'm doing my makeup, I can literally tell all these gray streaks. So if you're a blondie, you should definitely tune into my other videos about hair. All right, so just gonna go under my eyelid and kind of set that. All right, and again, I just like to take the slightest bit and put it on my cheeks. Most importantly, I've not forgotten, but I'm going to do my nose. But yeah, guys, if you guys hear all that noise, it's my family in the house. I'm telling you, if you want to do YouTube, you still live with a household full of people, well, I just got it in my eye. You're gonna have to deal with it, and you're gonna have to not be shy about it. Because while I'm talking, there's all these people walking by. And by all these people, I just mean like my mom, my dad, my dogs. But yeah, these are things you have to go through, huh? If you actually wanna be on camera. So now that the base is ready, I do have, I think I'm gonna go get it. But usually, literally, lie to you not, this is literally a simple to-go face, right? So what I like to do is use this Ulta Beauty Flush Blush Natural Finish. This thing is amazing. This thing works. I use it as a bronzer, as a blush, and as a highlighter. You guys will see what I mean. I like to take this blush brush, and it's angled. And as you can see, it's like, it has highlighter. And since I'm so pale, you'll see what I mean. I'm gonna put it on my face. So I like to just grab the slightest bit. You have to smile so you can see your cheeks. And literally the slightest bit goes a long way. And I like to put some on my nose. on your nose, even on my forehead. Don't come for me, but look, it literally gives me color. Look at that difference. Like, your face literally looks so sun-kissed, and I haven't even gone outside, and it does not look powdery like at all, and you can see how shimmery my face looks. All right, so when it comes to my eyes, I'm going to be doing my like eyeshadows and stuff on camera, but when it comes to like eyeliner and mascara, I'm going to be doing it out of camera just because it's difficult for me to do that on camera. But yeah, let me see. That car is still there, guys, and I don't know if it's watching me, but if it is, I hope it's enjoying the show. Every day I just like to use like natural tones like this. So any palette that you have with any of these colors would work for like an everyday. What I like to do is also use this brush. This is from e.l.f. The e.l.f. blending brush. I want to go to an e.l.f. store because I know there is around the mall where I live. And if I were to see some, I literally want to buy like 5 of these. This is so good. I love this brush. Again, it's called the e.l.f. blending brush. So yeah, what I like to do is, let me see, like start small and then start blending it out. So what I like to do is, I'm gonna take this brown here, the lightest brown, just take a little bit of it and close my eyes, and I like to focus up here. And I think this is so pretty. You guys will see the outcome. I like to start out small. And then kind of like pushing it to the edge of the eye. And it just gives you like it just also opens your eyes. So I'm gonna grab a little bit more of this light brown. Go onto the other eye. Do both. Grab a little bit more. And again, we're focusing on the outer area of our eye. I like to bring it high enough, but not so high where it's gonna cover the light part of my eyebrows. Literally the easiest thing. And I do this all the time. Literally all the time. What I like to do, I literally use the same brush. I just grab like a towel or something and clean the brush and grab this light color. And I like to go ahead and highlight the lid and the inner corners. See the difference with the side? When you're doing your eye, just always remember, go dark in the edge, lighter in the inner eye. Okay. And you can even, literally this color even works as highlight. Like, it's so light. I like to even go up in my eyebrow. And look at that. All right, guys, so I'm back and actually just got done just put a mascara on, and I love this mascara. I've honestly been using it since high school, and I don't know, I just like it. I guess because it is a clumpy mascara in a way, and it even like close up, it looks like you have falsies on. Like, it's just a major difference. It makes you look like wide awake. So yeah, this is literally the mascara that I've been using for years and years and years. But there is like 2 different kinds though. There is one that is kind of longer, and what I'm explaining is the one that I like is actually a little bit chunky on the bottom, and then it goes thinner on the top. The other one that's thin all the way, I really don't like it. I like this one, but with this mascara you definitely have to, like, I do at least 6 coats on each eye, but I absolutely love it. But yeah, I don't put like falsies on or anything like that because I honestly don't know how. Maybe one day I'll learn. But yeah, now for the ending of this video, which is the the last thing I have to do, let me see if I know where it's at. Yeah, right here. So this is a combo that I've been loving, and it's honestly like not bougie at all. It's so simple. This is a lip liner by literally LA Colors. I don't like go on and, you know, put the whole color. I kind of just put a little bit, and then I put some Carmex Blistex, and the color looks absolutely beautiful. I also like these butter glosses from NYX, but just to show you guys what I do, of course this would happen because I'm showing you guys. This typically never happens. So I like to kind of give color to my lip with this, and then I go ahead and grab some, literally the original Carmex, put a little bit with my finger. Look at this natural color. And obviously clean your lips, around your lips. But this has been an obsession of mine ever since I found out about this. Like, I did it one time and I've been doing it like every time now. It's my go-to, but it just looks like very natural. Let me know if you like it. Okay, so yeah, this is literally my go-to everyday face whenever I'm gonna go out. I would take this bandana on because obviously this does not match my outfit, and it doesn't match, but this is literally my go-to every day. And I hear everyone in my house talking, but this is like my go-to. Oh god, there goes my niece screaming. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give me a big like and leave me a comment on any products that I've used. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm on the road to hit 1,000 subscribers, so I hope I can hit that before the year ends. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.